Welcome back to my channel. It's Shannonheartsx here, and today I recorded a tutorial on this makeup look. It's giving Barbie glam or a birthday glam. So this is like a look that I would do on one of my makeup clients. So if you'd like to know how I achieve this look, be sure to tune in and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe for more content. And also check the links in my bio so you can follow me and keep up with what I have going on my social media. All right, bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm about to start this look off. First, I'm gonna work on my brows, and I'm gonna set them using the Got To Be freezing spray and a spoolie. This actually helps my brows to just stay in place, and yeah. Now for my face, I'm going to prime using my Soft Shell mattifying primer. It is really good. I'm applying it in the areas that I get a little oily. And then my pencil. I use a dark brown eyebrow pencil, mainly the inexpensive ones that you can get at the beauty supply store. They work the best for me. So here I'm basically going to use my pencil to just put a little product at the front of my brows because I like a little bit of a faded brow look. Going in with Toffee to conceal my brows and mixing it with the LA Colors Truly Matte foundation in the shade Soft Beige just so I can get more of a pop under my brow. So now I'm going to basically blend out the concealer that I have on my lids to prep for eyeshadow. I'm using my Real Techniques brush. This is the main brush I use when cleaning up my brows and my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go in with my Beauty Creations Elsa palette, and I'm going to take that like clay colored eyeshadow first just to warm up my crease and to set the tone for the rest of my eyeshadows. Just a heads up, you can go in with as much color as you want depending on how pigmented you want the eyeshadow look to be and also how dramatic you want it to be. Here I am taking the darker clay color just to kind of intensify my crease. Now I'm back with the infamous James Charles X Morphe palette. You guys, I'm obsessed with this palette. Like every look that I do, I incorporate this palette. I love the colors. And I also hit 10 on my my yellow. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. See, back at it again. I'm back in that palette. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with this yellow and basically just add a little bit of warmth and some color to the outer part of my eyeshadow. I really love having yellow on the farthest part of my eyeshadow, so that's what I'm doing right now, just adding a little essence of it. So now I am about to cut my crease, and you can make it as big as you want or as small. So that's what we're doing right now. Also, you guys, you don't want to add too much concealer to your lid. You want to make it like moderate, and you also want to not make it too wet, because then your eyeshadow is going to be moving and you don't want your eyeshadow moving all over the place. So what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to go in with the same brush I used to blend out my eyeshadow base, which was a concealer, and just do the same thing here just to kind of remove the excess product. I chose this gold foil eyeshadow from the Elsa palette because I will be going in with a gold glitter, so I wanted to make it like match up and not look off. And to blend out the eyeshadow, I'm just going back in with the brown that I used from the Morphe palette just so the gold kind of blends in well. And now I am applying my liquid eyeliner. I believe it's by Jordana and it's called the Cat Eyeliner. It's really good, but it kind of dries fast, so you have to move pretty quickly. I'll be going in with the Beauty Creations glitter, and what it does is it reflects like multiple colors, and I am going over my lid with a glitter adhesive just so my glitter will stick. And I did my eyeliner before putting on my glitter to avoid it looking chunky and messing up my eyeliner. And now I'm packing in my glitter pigment on my lid. Now, you know I have to plug my business. So if you guys don't know, I own a business called BLINKSINMINK, and here are some of my lashes in the style Drama Queen, I believe, and they're gorgeous and they add the perfect amount of drama to any look. I will be relaunching soon, so be sure to follow its Instagram page, you know, to keep up with what I got going on, because your girl is doing big things. Another trick I learned when applying my falsies are to put them on the eyeliner wing and not actually on my lash line. It helps a lot. Now I'm moving in with my waterproof mascara in Big Shot. Loving it. This just helps my real lashes to stick to my falsies, because I usually go in and kind of clamp them together just so my lashes don't come off. And now we are done with our eyes. Here I'm going to apply the foundation I use on my face over my brows to clean them up so I don't have a halo effect. Now, you guys, this is where things get a little tricky. So this foundation is Revlon Color Stay in 450 Mocha, and I honestly have to say I hate it. Just wait. Luckily, we can trust the process, but still, I don't like how it comes off like ashy. Like you guys can tell, it looks ashy in the video. It blends well like after you set and everything, but I did not like it, and I still don't like it. So I need to go back to using my Juvia's Place, because that foundation actually made my skin look warm and not like this. Here I'm going back in with my Toffee concealer to basically highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, my chin. Y'all, I really don't like this foundation. Like, it just kind of made everything off during putting on my makeup, but you'll see how cute it comes out in the end. Now I'll be contouring my face using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in Congo. And I want you guys to look at the huge difference in the quality. Look how pigmented and warm this is compared to my foundation. So I definitely need to go back to those products. You guys, honestly, you get what you pay for when it comes to drugstore makeup. I'll now be using my Sasha Buttercup to basically press into my highlighted areas because I do not bake. I'd rather just press the powder in and brush away the excess. Now I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Deep Dark or Dark to Deep. I really love the colors in here, and I also use them for eyeshadow too sometimes. After setting my face with my Black Opal pressed powder, I'm going to basically go in with the same clay color I used on my lid on my bottom lash line, just to add, you know, a little bit more drama to the eye look. Time for the highlight. So I'm using a Inglot Sparkling Dust illuminator for basically your entire body. You can put it anywhere you'd like, and it is gorgeous. It's like a glitter highlighter, which is my favorite. Now I usually overline my lips so that they look fuller because I like the look of like fuller lips, to be honest. I'm using LA Girl's lip pencil in brown, and it's really soft and easy to glide on. Now I'll be using LA Colors High Shine Gloss in the color Wink. It is the cutest nude ever, and it has little gold flakes in there. So the nozzle on my setting spray stopped working. So what I did was basically put some of the setting spray in my hand, and then I put my brush in it and I just pat it into my face instead. And it does the trick. Here I'm just applying a little bit of orange eyeshadow from the James Charles palette to add a little bit of color to my cheeks. And boom, this is the look. See guys, this is why I say trust the process. Thank you so much for watching, and definitely follow me on my social media, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Love ya.